Central Minister and Senior Leader Prahlad Joshi ji, H.D. Kumaraswamy ji, and all the senior leaders of both the parties we met, discussed in detail the way corruption is taking place here in Karnataka under the leadership of Siddaramaiah ji. So after the detailed discussion, both the parties together have taken a unanimous decision. Both the scams, ST Development Corporation, where 187 crores, the money which was meant for the welfare of scheduled tribe community, has been looted by the Congress government, and also Mysore Muda scam, and also many other scams which is taking place here in Karnataka. Both the parties have decided to take out Padayatra from Saturday, that is 3rd. B.S. Yediyurappa ji and H.D. Kumaraswamy will be present on that occasion. It will be a 7 days Padayatra. Padayatra will start on 3rd, it will commence on 3rd and conclude on 10th, that is Saturday. Our national leaders from Bharatiya Janata Party will also be present on 10th.